Is a titanium utility knife actually worth the premium, or are we just falling for marketing? I have been testing the Flissa Advanced Utility Knife, and frankly, it's one of the few EDC blades I have picked up lately that actually backs up the price tag. I'll be honest, seeing the plain brown outer box kept my expectations pretty low, but there is a much nicer presentation box inside, which definitely makes this gift ready. You get the Flissa Utility Knife, along with the 10 replacement blades. I really like the storage for the extra blades. It functions a lot like a magazine. There is a slight push built into the case, which makes it easy getting the blades out. Let's talk material. It has a titanium head, but the rest of the body is aluminum. I was really expecting full titanium on this one. They include a small groove on the blade, but you still have to press the button to deploy it. To me, that makes the notch totally useless. The action on this is probably my favorite part. The push button deployment is incredibly smooth. You just press the button and flick your wrist and it locks up completely solid. It is just plain satisfying to handle, and it feels like a fidget toy that happens to have a blade. The blade exposure is solid for daily use, and swapping it out is a breeze. It uses a flip-up quick release latch on the spine that locks the blade in tight. As an added bonus, the action on this little lever is incredibly tactile, making it just another great part of the knife to fidget with. As for the pocket clip, it gets the job done right. It offers a deep carry profile, and the retention is nice and strong. The only detail that really stands out is the red lanyard hole. It's a nice addition that makes it easy to attach your keys, or you can run a lanyard for some extra grip and customization. The ergonomics works well, and the middle notch locks in the grip. Visually, it's very clean with minimal logos and a red accent. And again, the deployment action is completely addicting. Let's look at it next to a Milwaukee Fastback. To keep it fair, I'm using the smallest model. The Flissa is lighter at 67 grams and definitely thinner. For pocket carry, the Flissa wins. It is a much better EDC. The Fastback gives you a better grip with gloves. Visually, the Flissa is more subtle, and when it comes down to the cut, the Flissa takes the win by giving you a longer, exposed cutting edge. At its core, this is a cutting tool. So let's put it to work. Cardboard is its main job, and its ultra-thin utility blade glides through way better than the standard pocket knife. Moving on to tougher material, whether that's a heavy landscaping fabric, rubber hose, or a thick rope, it slices clean through without an issue. Flissa claims the knife can survive a 1.5 meter drop test. Let's find out. I dropped it straight onto a concrete floor. Let's take a look at the damage. As you can see, it passed easily. There are only some minor cosmetic wear, and most importantly, the blade and locking mechanism stay completely secured. I spent a lot of time making sure you get the right information, whether a video is sponsored or like today, brought with my own money. You're always getting my honest take here in 82. If you appreciate that, hit that like button and subscribe. I really do love making these videos. So why pick this up? It has a great design, a reasonable price tag, and it comes with 10 extra blades. Plus, the packaging and presentation are excellent. It makes such a great gift that I actually bought one for myself Christmas of last year. When it comes to the price tag, this one hits a sweet spot. You can easily spend over $200 on a premium utility knife, but this one is reasonably priced around $40, sometimes even $35. It packs a ton of value, making it an easy recommendation to pick up or give as a gift. As for improvements, the Flissa could definitely benefit from some stippling on the handle for some extra traction. I would also love to see a slightly longer version, maybe a 4-inch handle instead of a 3.5, just to give it a better overall grip, especially for anyone with larger hands. And hey, I'm not going to complain if they want to make it cheaper. If you are grabbing one of these on Amazon, using the link below supports the channel without costing you anything extra. And if you made it to the very end, you have a great attention span. Reward yourself by hitting that like button and subscribing to 82. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.